Here is an example of a broken lockbox. This is a key lockbox that hangs on a doorknob or on a hook, and I just wanted to give an example of what it looks like when it truly is broken and you got no other options. Luckily for me, it broke while it was open, so I was able to get my key out, but these are the symptoms to look for to understand if you truly are hopeless or not. So for this particular lockbox, these have been outside for the last 1.5 years or 2 years. So they really get a lot of wear and tear. As you can see, they get beat up and they don't last forever. So I opened this up and I had the key, and when I went to close it, a symptom was that this does not retract. So I'm unable to close because the mechanism right here is jammed. Now, typically when you put in your code, it will retract and allow you to go in. And for this lockbox, I know for a fact that the code is 1417. And when I go to close it, it just cannot go down. When I try to pull this black lever, I cannot get it to pull down. And here's the last thing that just made it obvious for me. I'm going to go ahead and try to reset the code, and I cannot move this lever. It is jammed. Usually this is pretty effortless to go from section A to section B to be able to move it, but it just, there's something in this mechanism that's broken, and I'm sure I could take it apart and figure it out, but I just don't have the time. And will it break again if I fix it? So I just went ahead and got another $20 box, but I just wanted to share my experience, and hopefully, you know, if this happens to you, it happens while it's in an open position. But that is what a broken lockbox, the symptoms of a broken lockbox. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful for you.